This is the Wispa aerated chocolate bar from Cadbury. I got this from a friend as a present from London. That's why the shape looks quite uneven, and it's probably bit melted from the transport. Let's see how it looks from the inside. I am sure it is supposed to look more delicious, but let's have a look inside. It doesn't look that good, but maybe the taste is better. The taste is actually much better than the look. It has an interesting texture with the aerated chocolate in the center. This Cadbury chocolate bar tastes even good when it's melted and not stored properly.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, everyone.